What is going on, everyone? It's your boy CowLover420 here, coming at you live from YouTube. Alright, we're here for another adventure, but first, if I can get my 20 subscribers to please donate me $700 each so I can keep my channel going for another 5 days, that'd be great. Alright, let's go!
These are a lot better for recoil management and just in general, they don't hurt that bad.
Cool. Can she shoot first?
Yeah, go for it.
Okay.
You're gonna look forward, okay? Look at these, okay? You're just gonna go ahead and squeeze. Right?
Are you looking for the metal? Oh, nice.
All your even if it looks like it's empty, always treat it as if it's loaded, okay?
Slam it in. Just slam it in. This little notch right here, use a lot of force and pull it down. It'll load the gun. Harder. There, okay. And just shoot down the lane. Okay. Yeah, go for it. Squeeze the trigger.
It's okay. Don't be afraid.
Yeah, don't be afraid. Just squeeze it. Just relax and squeeze it. Don't worry about where you're shooting. Just aim down and just aim towards the target.
Aim towards the sand.
Nice. Okay, you're done. You can put the gun down now. Alright, Xiao. Round 2. Let's go.
Round 2.
It's the shell. Alright, ready?
No.
Pull it hard. Alright, put more pressure on your pinky here. Alright, go for it. Well, I gotta see this. Woo.
These are the smaller ones.
Yeah, give her this tiny one first.
So you're gonna try one of these, and you're gonna try one of these, and it's gonna be not so bad, okay?
Yeah. I'll give it a shot, yeah. Okay.
So.
Safety is on.
Safety's on, yeah.
Whoa. Oh, man.
You're good, yeah.
You gotta try it, Xiao. It's really good.
It's really fun.
Just one.
one.
I'll load it for you. You wanna teach her the ropes?
This is gonna be fast, okay? Hold it in this hand. It's a little heavy, okay? There we go. Lift it up. There we go. So now what you're gonna do, pull it back.
Yeah, pull it.
And pull.
Now you can load the other one.
Okay, now we're gonna go and take it off.
No, it's already loaded.
Okay.
There's one more now.
One more. There.
This one is a little spicier.
Okay. Pull it back. All the way back. There we go. Okay. And push it all the way front. There we go. Go press the trigger. There we go.
Alright, you're good. Congratulations.